Today, I would like to introduce you to my new listing, 309 Empress Street in Leander, Texas. It is located in Larkspur community. It's one of the largest community in Leander and very popular. Leander has top rated school district. The property tax rate here is 2.51%. HOA has a lot of amenity with a minimum HOA fee. And this home is featuring a 2,549 square feet with the lot near 6,500 square feet. And this home is beautifully built in the community and it's less than 5 years old. Its house is located in this very nice community. The 1 acre lot's home by Milestone, the Bennett, is just less than a mile away. And this community is growing a lot and is very convenient. A new HEB was built, which is like maybe less than 2 miles away from here, so I would say about 5 minutes drive. To go to the main Palmer Apple campus, the main shopping mall is about less than 20 minutes away, and you can go to Lakeline shopping center around Rhode Island Mall. It's about 15 to 20 minutes, and Costco is right off here, less than 15 minutes away as well. Very convenient location. If you have family looking for a home to a good school district, this is gonna be the one. So please go ahead and tour with me. I'll show you different rooms in this house. So as soon as you arrived into the house, you can look up there. There is a high ceiling at the entrance, okay? And you can see the entire floor of the home on the first floor is vinyl, luxury vinyl plank, and it has really nice neutral color. So this is going to be your formal living room, or you can make it into like a formal dining room. When you enter the house, and this is your landing area. All right, so walking down a little bit more, you will see on the right side is the kitchen area, and on the left side is the gas half bath. Okay, so this house has a really big granite island right in the middle of the kitchen, and it has gas stove, as you can see. The house also comes with the fridge, microwave, stainless steel stove, dishwasher, a lot of cabinets, and a large island granite as well. A lot of countertop space, and follow that. This is gonna be your laundry area, and with a door that take you directly to the 2-car garage. So from the kitchen, you can see the family area right here, and basically your breakfast area could be putting, the stools around this island. Nowadays, a lot of people like to do that to save space for the home. As you can see, the high cathedral ceilings in the family room. And from here, you can see the upstairs. There is also a balcony up there as well. And there's staircase that leading you to upstairs. All right, so this is your family room. In here is the master bedroom, okay? So the master bedroom is pretty large. I mean, this home is less than 5 years old, well maintained by the owner and whoever lived here before. But it looks really nice and clean, and it feels like a new home to me. So entering here, there's also a vinyl floor in the bathroom and a standing shower with a linen closet and a double vanity. So there are 2 sinks, followed by a private toilet and a humongous, spacious closet. So let's tour with me the upstairs. This home has a lot of good natural lights, as you can see, because of the lot of window and the location. So this is the view from the upstairs loft. Okay, that is your family room. And this is a big loft area that I was talking about. This is the entire upstairs. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. This is the front entrance view. Okay, it's going down, and on the right here is the first bedroom. As you can see, I don't have the lights turned on, but the room has 2 windows, and you can see all the natural lights coming in. Okay, This home also have linen closets right next to the bedroom and the full bath right here. This full bath also upgraded with 2 vanity sinks. It's the loft, and then the follow other 2 rooms are the 2 other bedrooms next to each other. Okay, this is bedroom number 2 upstairs. From the 2 bedrooms to the right of it, there is a big, humongous closet with all the shelves built in, as you can see. So you can store a lot of things in here. Inside, there is a huge closet as well for storage. So that is the other closet. Perfect. Now let's go downstairs and we can go check out the backyard patio. Alright, so come with me to the backyard patio. Here is the back door. Right, so we do have a cover patio and in the backyard, and it's all tiled up all the way there. There is, as you can see, the privacy of the yard, and there's a little vegetable garden. I can see a lot of mints here. Maybe I can take some mints home because I love these with vermicelli. If you have families and kids that want to move in and go to school here, is one of the best school districts, okay, in North Austin, Texas. My kids are growing up in Leander and actually went to the Leander school. The price is only $439,000. If you bought this home about 2 or 2.5 years ago, it would be about $600,000. And you have to beat as well. Right now, it's the buyer market. So I suggest if you are looking for homes in Leander, either a resale home or new build home, around 400 and 450 range is a great deal. Right now is the perfect time to buy. The interest rate, you can always refinance it when it goes down, but the price, you cannot change the price when it goes up. With that said, if you need information about this home, feel free to contact me and I can tour your home anytime you would like. Thank you for watching me and hope you have a wonderful weekend.